Cucumber has extreme benefits for overall health, especially during the summer. They are mostly made of water and important nutrients. The peel and seeds of cucumbers contain beta-carotene. The other wide range of minerals in the cucumber include vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. Additionally, cucumber contains daily fiber that contributes greatly to strengthening of connective tissues. They are useful for healing many skin problems like swelling under the eye and sunburns. Cucumber has enriching content to prevent water loss. You will find different varieties of cucumber grown in different regions, and they all are usually eaten fresh. Cucumber is cultivated both as summer and rainy season crop. Summer crop runs from January to February, while rainy season crop goes from June to July in hills. Besides, there are many benefits of cucumbers, including lowering blood sugar, which benefits, and it also controls the blood pressure. It helps in managing diabetes. Cucumber has high alkaline levels, which helps in regulating the body's blood and neutralizing the acidity. How to store cucumber? Storing cucumbers in the refrigerator will help to retain the freshness for a long time. If you have already cut some of the part, then grab the remaining tightly part in a plastic cover and place it in a closed container so that it does not get dried out. Try to eat cucumbers within 1 or 2 days of buying them so that they remain fresh. Otherwise, it becomes limp if it is kept for more than 1 week. Let's learn making a salad with cucumber that also include other ingredients like onions, tomato, lemon juice, mint leaves, coriander, and chili. Let's learn it step by step. Take a bowl and add some cucumber slices into it. Chop tomato and onion. Top it up with coriander leaves, mint leaves, chilies, and pepper powder. And then squeeze the lemon juice. To give it a good tasty effect. The salad is ready for consumption. Eat it fresh to gain all essential nutrients for the body. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.